Hi everyone, it's Heidi with WTI, and this Roland Star full bed frame has so many great features. The most important one being all of the storage underneath. It comes with two very large pull-out rattan drawers. They're on rollers, so they're so easy to pull out and push back under the bed. They're lightweight and they fit so much. Shoes, clothes, toys. The possibilities are endless. And the nice part is the rattan pull-out drawers take up just one side of the bed. So the other side of the bed could be used for other storage, like bins or blankets. The frame is very sturdy and it's a simple structure, so it was very easy to put together. And because it's very neutral, it's really great for any decor. This Roland Star full frame bed was a great choice for this room and gave us all the storage we needed. And that's my point of view.